What's up everybody, in this video I'm gonna show you 3 free mint NFT projects that are actually minting soon, but I think you still have opportunity to get a whitelist spot. But before I'm gonna show you the project, first I'm gonna ask you if you can do me a favor, follow me on my Twitter, I would really appreciate. And everything that I'm gonna state in this video, this is just my personal opinion, this is not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. This video is for educational and entertainment purpose only. Always do your own research before investing or purchasing any NFTs. So first, let's take a look at Dune Analytics to see OpenSea trading volume. And as you can see, we've been going sideways, entire June sideways, July sideways, and looks like August, I don't think it's gonna get any better. And as you can see, some days we're getting 17-18 million trading view, and some days barely over 10. So there is still trading volume is going on, people still buying and selling NFTs, but there's just not as much as volume as it used to be. So the first project that I was talking about, it's called Life is a Joke. It's a free mint, and this project has almost 25,000 followers. They're going to be minting on August 5th. They have different mint time frames. Whitelist spots is going to be at 3 p.m. UTC, waitlist 6 p.m. UTC, and then 7 p.m. UTC public if they're going to have anything left over. And I think this is going to be a decent project to flip or maybe hold if you really like the art. And they have a Discord, but it's locked or closed. A Discord invite equals whitelist spot. So if you follow them on Twitter, keep notification turned on, just interact with their posts, and maybe you can still get yourself a whitelist spot for this specific project. And if we scroll down a little bit here, as you can see, they're getting decent interactions on their posts. And like, for example, this one is whitelist giveaway, has 1600 likes, 1200 retweets, and 700 comments. So the next project, it's called Wild West Minting Soon. So they don't have specific dates set yet, but as you can see at the time of recording this video, they have almost 80,000 followers. They have a pre-mint link, so if you press on it and you can register, and hopefully you can get yourself a whitelist spot through the pre-mint link or maybe through the Twitter giveaway. And if we scroll down, as you can see, they're getting a little bit of an interaction like on this post, and then this one right here, it has almost 2,500 likes, 2,300 retweets, and 1,400 comments. And if we scroll down more, as you can see, they've been collabing with different projects, Gajira, and then Alpha X, and then Alpha Bird, and there are actually more collabs on their Twitter page as well. So I think this project is gonna do decently. I don't know, but we're just gonna have to wait and see, because it's really hard to predict, especially right now. Some very high projects are not doing very well in this bear market, but this could be a good one to keep an eye on. And the last project, I think, is the most hype project. It's called Bad Birds Free Mint. At the time of recording this video, they almost have 170,000 followers. They have very little supply, 555 NFTs, all animated, free mint, and no Discord. They also have a pre-mint link, but you have to hurry up because I think this pre-mint link is gonna close very soon, and they're gonna be minting soon as well. And if you scroll down again, you can take a look and see they're getting decent interaction on their posts, and looks like they're gonna be minting on August 3rd, and this is the time frame, Pacific time, from 12 to 2 p.m. So I think the only way still to get a whitelist spot for this specific project, it's gonna be through the pre-mint link. And this is pretty much it. All the projects that I talk about in this video, I'm gonna leave links in the description below. And if this video is helpful to you, press that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.